When I first got my Tesla Model 3 in 2018 of July, I couldn't stand the chrome. I mean, it just glared at me and looked at me and laughed at me. So I said I had to do something about it. So I went to shops and got some quotes, and I mean, it was ranging from like 800 to 1200. And I just thought, man, there's gotta be a better way. And that's when we started coming out with a kit. And after about like 375 variations of trying to figure out how to do the mirror kit without removing it, we finally came out with it, and it was a big hit. It's still one of our best sellers today. So today we're going to talk about all the exterior customizations that you can do with colored vinyls. We're on a mission to delete all chrome, so we came out with a kit for all models that did have chrome, like the Model S, X, and 3. All of our kits are pre-cut, and anyone can do it with enough time and patience. One thing to note that it is vinyl, it's very forgiving. If you heat it, wrinkles come out. If you mess up an area, just peel it off and stick it back on there, and these will make your Tesla look like the newer ones. Say you've already deleted your trims and you want to take it to the next level. This is for you. We call this the Stormtrooper look because it kind of looks like it on a white car. But we do have this for the Model 3 and Y in sand, gloss, or matte black. There's really no better way to show off than to have something not many other Teslas have. The front bumper of a Tesla can be a little tad boring, right? A lot of cars have grills or even maybe vents, but Teslas really don't have a lot of that, and it's quite flat. So we created a few front bumper variations to really just add depth to the natural curves of your bumper and make it a little bit more sporty. You're putting it in sport mode, if you will. These are PPF wraps, but they are actually tinted. So it does two different things. It protects your headlights and fog lights, but it also adds a layer of customization to your headlights. These tinted headlights is the lightest tint out there, so it's not really going to affect your visibility or your output of the light.